Hey friends, if you encounter Igfxext.exe module high CPU and memory usage, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run a malware scan. I'll tell you how to do it. Simply press Windows plus R and type the command MRT and hit enter. This will and you'll have to wait for a while because this tool opens after a while. The Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Click on next, and it will start scanning and remove it. This is different from Windows security. The next solution is to update all drivers. Okay, they have mentioned many options for it. Install the Intel driver and support assistant, update Intel drivers. But I'll tell you, all of this is not required. All you need to do is right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, and then you will have to select this option here, which says uh, advanced options, and then select optional features. If you find any driver updates here or any updates at all, simply install them. After that, you have to uninstall any recently installed interfering program, or better, just perform a clean boot to isolate the cause. It does the same thing except that it deactivates third party services too. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your system. After that, you can run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And last of all, you can restore your system to an earlier point when it was working well. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to open system restore. Choose a different restore point next. Choose a good restore point next. And then finish and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.